campers, Linus Van Pelt here. As you board the Beagle Express, engineer Snoopy has a few reminders. Please watch your step as you enter the train and place all loose articles in a bin on the right side of the station. The use of cameras and cell phones is strictly prohibited. Once seated, hold down on your lap bar. If you are having difficulty, notify one of our camp counselors. 3, 2, 1!
Whoa!
We made it to the mess hall, deliver the pizza and root beer.
Yeah, that's pretty alright.
Feathered campers very happy. Now, please remain seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop. At that time, push down, then pull up on your lap bar. Thanks for joining us, and enjoy the rest of your day here at Camp Snoopy.